He took the throne at 8 and redirected the destiny of a nation. Can a child stop his country's moral and political collapse? This is the story of Josiah, Judah's child king, and how a spiritual decision became a national strategy for survival. Judah, 7th century B.C.E. Years of confusion, high places on every hill, competing temples, imported gods. Identity dissolves. Then the unthinkable. A child inherits the crown. According to 2 Kings 22-23 and 2 Chronicles 34-35. His name is Josiah. What would you do at that age? He chose to rebuild a country, starting with its heart. As a young king, he authorizes repairs of the temple in Jerusalem. Amid timber and dust, a forgotten book emerges. An ancient document, a lost code. The chroniclers call it the Book of the Law. They read it before the king. Truth lands with weight. If the covenant was broken, the nation must choose. Continue the decline, or return to its center. Josiah will not settle for half measures. He orders the destruction of idolatrous altars, dismantles popular cults, brings down symbols that promised protection and delivered emptiness. Fanaticism? The biblical accounts describe more, a reform of identity. Return to the center, not to any god, but to the God of the covenant. The gesture is not merely religious. It reorders politics and society, recenters authority, unifies worship, and with it, unifies the people. Can a country heal if its heart remains divided? Then comes the climax, the public reading of the book before the entire nation. The king, the people, the leaders, all renew a covenant. It isn't theater. The signature is obedience. As a seal of return, they celebrate Passover as it had not been observed for generations, say the Chronicles. A feast of memory, freedom, and purpose. Not nostalgia, direction. The facts are documented in 2 Kings 22-23 and 2 Chronicles 34-35. What historians debate is the reach. How deeply did the reform penetrate daily life? Was it cultural resistance in the face of regional empires? Some modern readings see in Josiah a leader who understood the equation of the future. No nation stands strong on hollow values. What does a child king teach us? That age does not determine impact. Purpose does. That societies are not transformed by laws alone, but by a shared moral conscience. And sometimes the book we ignore is the map we need. If your life, your family, or your team feel off-center today, ask, what is my covenant? Which truths anchor me? Which foreign altars must I tear down to reclaim what matters? Josiah reminds us that to lead is to return to what is essential and to commit publicly to it. Not to impose fear, but to ignite purpose. In the end, his greatest reform was not the hammer against idols, but the word upon hearts. If this story helped you see the past with new eyes and your present with greater clarity, subscribe.